What is up, techies? Fluffy here from techbeatph.com. First off, a huge thank you to everyone tuning in because we recently hit 17,000 subscribers on this channel and I am incredibly grateful for your continued support. Today, we are looking at something that solves a massive headache for the creative professionals in our community. If you are a MacBook user, you are likely part of a specific tribe that values a certain aesthetic and functional flow. You spend thousands of dollars, or in our case pesos, on a machine with a Retina display that boasts near-perfect color accuracy and a specific, sleek aluminum finish. You aren't just buying a laptop, you are buying into a design philosophy. Then, you head to the monitor market and realize most displays look like they were designed for a beige office cubicle from 1998. The colors are off, the design is clunky, and your laptop keyboard's brightness keys suddenly become useless ornaments. BenQ clearly had enough of this friction. The MA270U is their answer to our prayers, offering a 27-inch 4K UHD canvas that actually understands the language of macOS. It is without a doubt the perfect Apple ecosystem monitor for anyone tired of mismatched peripherals. The build quality is substantial. Before I became a tech journalist, I spent 10 years in automotive manufacturing and another 8 years in aviation maintenance as a mechanical engineer. I know when a piece of hardware is built to tight tolerances, and unlike the hollow-feeling plastic shells of many competitors, the MA270U feels dense and structurally sound. The biggest pain point of using a non-Apple monitor is the jarring difference in color profile between your laptop screen and the external display. You drag a window from the Liquid Retina XDR display to your external monitor and suddenly your vibrant red turns into a dull orange. BenQ addresses this with their proprietary Mac color tuning technology. It is not just about slapping a preset into the on-screen display menu and calling it a day. The engineers at BenQ have worked to align the P3 color gamut coverage and the specific gamma curve to match the Apple screens. This is a rigorous calibration process that ensures the white balance, saturation, and contrast ratios are synchronized across both panels. You get 4K resolution with the color soul of a Mac. By meticulously calibrating the panel, BenQ eliminates the constant second guessing of which screen is telling the truth during a color grade or a photo edit. In the world of monitors, hardware is only half the battle. Software is usually where the experience falls apart, forcing users to fumble with tiny, annoying buttons behind the monitor panel just to change the brightness. BenQ has solved this with Display Pilot 2. Once installed, this software turns the hardware into a functional extension of the laptop. The most impressive feature is eye keyboard control. It allows you to adjust the monitor's brightness and volume using the native keys on your laptop keyboard. It sounds like a small convenience, but it is a psychological game changer. Once you stop reaching behind a plastic panel like a caveman just to dim your screen at night, you can never go back. The brightness sync feature further bridges the gap by utilizing the ambient light sensor on your laptop to automatically dim or brighten in unison. Then there is Focus Sync, a deep-level integration that syncs your macOS focus modes with the monitor's display settings. If you want software that just works, this is the perfect Apple ecosystem monitor to invest in. Beyond the color matching, the MA270U is a technical powerhouse. The 27-inch 4K UHD panel offers a pixel density that makes text look crisp and highly readable. Whether you are coding for hours or reading long documents, the clarity is exceptional. But high resolution can lead to eye strain, which is where BenQ really shines with their eye care technology. The monitor is TUV Rhineland certified for flicker-free performance and low blue light emissions. Unlike some monitors that simply turn the screen aggressively yellow, BenQ utilizes a hardware-level blue light filter that maintains color integrity while protecting your vision. The nanomatte coating is another massive technical win. It effectively diffuses reflections from overhead lights or windows without the grainy texture often associated with older matte panels. Modern laptops have limited ports, and we have all been pushed toward a USB-C future. The MA270U leans into this perfectly. It features a robust USB-C port that handles everything. We are talking 4K video signal, high-speed data transfer, and 90 watts of power delivery. This means you can sit down at your desk, plug in one single cable, and you are done. Your laptop starts charging at high speeds, your peripherals plug into the monitor wake up, and your 7-inch 4K workspace is ready. BenQ also included an always-on power feature, which allows the monitor to charge your devices even when the monitor itself is in standby mode. No more waking up to a dead laptop because you forgot to keep the monitor on. It is incredibly practical and keeps cable clutter to an absolute minimum. My take? I have tested dozens of displays that claim to be friendly to our favorite Fruit-branded laptops, but most of them just mean they have a USB-C port and a silver-painted frame. The BenQ MA270U, which retails locally in the Philippines for around 29,990 pesos, is the first display in this price bracket that actually respects the workflow at a software level. I am tired of hardware that treats user experience as an afterthought. We live in a fast-paced digital world where friction kills creativity. The fact that I can sit down, plug in one cable, and have my keyboard controls, brightness sensors, and color profiles sync up automatically is a massive win for productivity. Not everyone can justify the incredibly high price tag of a 5K studio display, but for the vast majority of users out there, this is the more sensible, smarter purchase. It is a reliable tool that looks as good as the machine it is plugged into. It understands that a monitor should be a window into your work, not a distraction from it. If you value your time and your eyesight, this is the perfect Apple ecosystem monitor that pays dividends every single morning you sit down to work. That is why we give the BenQ MA270U the gold rating, not just for the amazing features but also its value for money proposition. If you are ready to upgrade your desk setup and eliminate cable clutter, check the links in the video to grab your own BenQ MA270U today. Do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what your current home office looks like. Until next time, keep geeking out.